Well, hello, hello. Look at this big thing. Isn't that cool? This is our camping spot here in Quanah, Texas. We're at Copper Breaks Lake. And this is their RV park, y'all. It's awesome. Just water and electric, but they do have a dump. And they were packed last night. And everybody's gone. Okay guys, we're at the Comanche camping area here at Copper Break State Park. This is the RV parking area and it's nice, really nice. They have water and electric, and look at the campsites. Everyone's got a picnic table, a barbecue, and a fire pit. And there we are right there. Yeah. Pretty level too, y'all. There's the park host. There's the dump station, because they have electric and water only. There's a shower and bathrooms. The shower was awesome last night. Loved it. There's 25 spots here. A lot of people left this morning. It's a holiday. It's Labor Day, and a lot of people left. But look at nice little play area for the kiddos. Goes way back. So if you have a toe, you'd have to pull it off to back in. Not long enough, but isn't that great? It's awesome. It's about 95 degrees out today. So, and I'm standing on top of the car. My head's out of the sunroof, you guys. This is a fun time. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, we're pulling into the group area. This is supposed to be a group camping area. And we didn't drive around here yesterday, but yesterday we drove around the park a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I guess this is an outlet to the lake. Nice boat ramp here. No trout lines allowed. This is nice though. There's like a shaded area back here. Looks really cool. And a screened in building area. Yeah, it looks like it's available. Day use only over here though. No overnighters. That's pretty cool. Now, they have like 8 trails out here. If you see the mountains over here, they have a stargazing tour that they do. It's incredible here at night. It's so dark. Last night I was looking. It's amazing. Yeah, look at that. And we're pulling into the swimming area and tent area, you guys. I think this is called Kaloa. Let me see. Yeah, Kaloa camping area. And they have like 11 tent areas assigned here. And there's their bathrooms. But they all have grills and picnic tables. See, this is where that group area is over there. There's a parking area, more day use, some swings. That's pretty neat. All right, let's go up to the swimming hole. Oh, there's another camping area. Okay, I thought they only had that, those two, but there's more. It's getting windy. Here you go. Here's the swimming hole, you guys. They say swim at your own risk. I got some people over here. I can tell they've been in the water. So I want to take a look. I wonder if it's warm. It's got up to like 100 degrees, huh, baby?
Yep.
I got my ugly swimming shoes on. Got my swimsuit on. See? Yeah. Let's see. Looks a little muddy. I know, there looks like a spot over here I can get in. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad right here. I think there's some little shells here, freshwater clams. It's warm. It's comfortable. Wow. Make sure I don't run into any fish. That's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna wet my hair.
You go.
You see how deep it goes? Pretty neat. Here's the lake. Copper breaks, y'all. There's an access. Somebody on bikes over there. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. I guess that's part of the dam way over there. Here we are. Yeah, I'll go over there and take a look, man. Fishing pier. Oh, wow. Okay. No garbage. On a filament recycle bin. No cans, no bottles. Okay. I don't have anything with me anyway. Ooh, that scared me. And it looks like the water's gone down quite a bit because those are made to float. There we go. All right, we got cobwebs on both sides. I don't see nothing down here. No little minnows or guppies or... Okay, let's take a look here. All right, there you go. This surface is plastic and it feels weird to my feet. Oh man. Wow. Ooh, getting seasick. It's moving a little bit. It's pretty cool though. And that's neat there. Wonder if it's an outlet, inlet type thing. There's other people out on that pier. Alright guys, there's supposed to be a couple trails over here. One's supposed to be the Rocky Ledges Loop, and one's supposed to be the Juniper Ridge Nature Trail. So this is supposed to be the Rocky Ledges, and that's 1.1 miles. Yeah, you can see some rocks way back there. And it's supposed to be pretty challenging. Now the Juniper Ridge is only 0.7. It's supposed to be kind of challenging too. And there's their park map. But yeah, that looks like it goes right into the rocks right away. Alright, y'all. You know, bring lots of water. Looks like fun though. Alright, y'all. This is the museum gift shop. Wow. Yeah, big buffalo display. That's pretty neat. Fossils. Oh my gosh. They got real ones. And the arrowheads. This is pretty neat. Here at the Copper Break State Park. Comanche country. Some of their artifacts. Oh my gosh. Look at those photos. That's amazing. Here's stuff for a medicine man. Wow. It's pretty cool. And that's a real buffalo pelt. And the Parkers. Yeah, they're big time out here. They settled here in the 1800s. Quanah Parker is a very important person to this town because it's called Quanah. We'll tell you more about him for sure. There he is. And this is the guy he surrendered to, McKenzie, Randall McKenzie. Wow. Oh, isn't that neat? That beadwork is beautiful. That's pretty neat.
Really? Yeah, I fixed that.
Look at old wagon. For sure the check wagon was very important in the day. Okay. She was nice enough to let me in. She was already shutting up the shop. So I just give you a quick rundown. Here's some more barbed wire. Yeah. Yeah, and this is the park. It's where we're staying. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Here we go. Tell about the families, the civilization here. All right, y'all. That's neat. Oh, look at that old windmill. That's pretty cool. You guys, you gotta come out and check it out. Awesome. Oh, there's more here. Hold on. Right there. Look at all this. Oh, there's a horny toad. See him? There he is. Hi, big boy. Snake skin. Fossils. I mean, skulls. There's a bobcat pelt. This guy's scary. All right, y'all. Let's go. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
All right, guys. We're at Copper Breaks State Park, and it's awesome. But we came in last night, and we're paying $20 a day, $3 per person, usage fee, whatever you call it. It was $52 for 2 nights, okay? But it's cool, man. It's a nice place to go. They have like 25 RV hookups with water and electric, and then they have a dump station. But they have like 3 or 4 different tent areas. One place has like 11 places. There's another one that has another dozen places, and they all have like barbecues and picnic tables. And our site is awesome. It has a fire pit, a barbecue, picnic table, and a neat shade canopy thing, and it's awesome.
Strange RV tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fix your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on